Hey everybody, yeah, what a beautiful evening it is today. Been raining a little bit. I gotta hurry up and get out of here before it gets dark. Anyways, I'm working on this unit here. I've been working on it. I troubleshot it a few days ago, and the circuit board is out. Of course, I did all the regular tests, made sure that it was a circuit board, and it is. So this circuit board is a model 1068-300, and the replacement for it would be, you guys can see that it's 1068-312-1. That's a replacement for this circuit board. Everything's the same pretty much. There's a few differences, but basically the same. So just remember, every time you change a circuit board, see, this circuit board indicates the light shows that there's nothing wrong with it, but I already know it's no good. I tested everything else, the whole process of things that I tested, it didn't turn on. I just wanted to give you guys a recommendation. Always take a picture of it as is before you take any wires off. That way, when you put it back together, you don't get confused, messed up. Save a lot of time. In this case, I'm taking this video, so I'll have more than pictures. But it's always better to take a picture, and then you take everything off, and you know how everything goes. Anyways, I was talking to John, the manager here, and he tells me the only good videos I ever do is when I mention him. I've only mentioned him once. So he only liked the one video, I guess. Alright, John, gotta get to work. Alright, just like that. Got the new, oh, it's starting to rain a little bit. Better get off this roof. I'm gonna restart it because I started it right now, but I had the gas shut off. So it's raining. Shouldn't be touching anything here. I should get off this roof, but I gotta finish. Just gotta make sure it turns on. No blinking lights, igniter, gas. Good, running. Well, everybody, have a good night, good evening, good night. I gotta get off this roof.